You are here to know about 7 most underrated but valuable cryptos in the market right now in 2022. So keep watching. If you're looking to start your crypto career, you have to know where to find the most undervalued cryptocurrencies. We put this video together to help you get going in the right direction. We provided you with more details on the most undervalued cryptocurrencies in 2022. Why are these the best cryptocurrencies to invest in 2022? Keep watching to understand why you should be monitoring these 7 closely in the upcoming year. But before that, welcome back to your own channel, Crypto World, where you'll get all the crypto knowledge. And yes, do remember that this video is not financial advice, so do your own research before investing anywhere. So without any further delay, let's get started. Most undervalued cryptocurrencies 2022. Number 1. Battle Infinity, IBATI-THE best new cryptocurrency. The project Battle Infinity is one of the most recent and promising cryptocurrencies to invest in. Battle Infinity initially focuses on fantasy sports, where players create teams and join battles with others to get top ranking in their leagues. Users of the platform will earn from a stake pool, so the source of revenue is transparent. Battle Infinity users have a completely safe and unrestricted immersive experience. The platform ecosystem for the Battle Infinite game consists of 6 different items that are effective, practical, and simple to use. IBAT Premier League, IBAT Battle Swap, IBAT Battle Market, IBAT Battle Games, IBAT Battle Arena, IBAT Battle Stake. Despite being one of the best cryptocurrencies to buy, Battle Infinity is not yet listed on PancakeSwap because it is still in the pre-sale stage. We believe now is the best time to begin working on a project. The likelihood of seeing the value of your money increase over time is very high. The project employs a fixed BNB and USD exchange rate of $250, implying that the ecosystem's IBAT token is available for purchase for $0.0015. Given Battle Infinity's value proposition, early buyers can reasonably expect 100x gains. Battle Infinity will be released soon, and now is the best time to get involved because it is on pre-sale for a discounted price. Do your homework before investing by learning more about the project on the Battle Infinity website and joining the Telegram group. Number 2. Lucky Block, a massive increase in value cryptocurrency. Lucky Block is the best value cryptocurrency you can invest in this year. It's the first on our list of the best valued cryptocurrencies for multiple reasons. It was released only a few months ago and already saw a massive increase in value. The main reason for that is the fact that Lucky Block is completely decentralized and doesn't have any jurisdictional restrictions. It's also a lottery coin you can win playing various Lucky Block games anywhere in the world. When you win a game, you will get tickets you can then exchange for tokens. Every lottery game is fair as the winner is chosen by a computer. You can exchange BNB to get Lucky Block tokens you can exchange on the market like any other digital currency. Keep in mind that Lucky Block is increasing in value since its release, so it's one of the best value cryptocurrencies you can buy right now. Number 3. DeFi Coin, best DeFi Coin. DeFi Coin is at the top of the list of the best DeFi coins to buy. DeFi Coin, as the name suggests, is a cryptocurrency token that is deeply embedded in the rapidly growing decentralized finance DeFi sector. The token is native to the new DeFi Swap DEX, which provides valuable swapping, staking, and yield farming services. DeFi Swap also offers some of the best DeFi interest rates for DEFI token holders. Although DeFi Swap has been in development for months, the team behind the exchange finally gave the exchange the green light to launch in early May, causing the DeFi coin, DEFI, price to skyrocket by more than 300%. Although DEFI is the exchange's native token, it also has several other exciting use cases, such as static rewards for holders. It's also been said that this is potentially one of the cheapest penny cryptocurrency to invest in. These rewards are made possible by a 10% tax levied whenever someone buys or sells DeFi coin. Half of the collected amount is distributed back to DEFI holders as a reward, providing a consistent passive income stream. The remaining 50% is returned to DeFi Swap's liquidity pools, automatically increasing liquidity. Number 4. Tether, consistent value cryptocurrency. Tether coin is a stablecoin, which means that it's backed by fiat currencies, such as the euro and USD. Stablecoins are among the most popular cryptocurrencies because they hold value equal to fiat currencies. That helped us, as Tether is also known as, become one of the best valued cryptocurrencies you can get. Tether is one of the highest 24-hour trading volume cryptos on the market, as its price rarely dips below $1. As a stablecoin, Tether is widely used to provide stability in the digital wallet, as investors often convert other coins to Tether to prevent losing value. If you're asking the question of what are the best valued cryptocurrencies, Tether should pop up as an answer for sure. Number 5. BINANCE Coin, the best stablecoin. Binance Coin, or BNB, as it's also known as, is another stablecoin and a native coin for Binance, the largest crypto exchange platform in the world. It was launched in 2017 to help provide stability on the Binance platform, but it quickly outgrew all expectations and became one of the best value cryptocurrencies you can buy. With a market cap of $63 billion, Binance Coin is now popular crypto for trading, booking travel arrangements, and payment processing. Moreover, since it's a stablecoin, it's widely traded for Ethereum, Bitcoin, and other valuable cryptos. Back in 2017, when it was first released, one BNB was priced at $0.10. However, at the time of writing this article, one BNB is valued at $380. That's a gain of 380,000% in less than 5 years. Number 6. ETHEREUM, the fastest growing crypto. Even if you're not a crypto trader, you must have heard about ETHEREUM. It's the second most popular crypto on the markets, and it's definitely one of the best value cryptocurrencies 2022. ETHEREUM is practically on every list of the best value cryptocurrencies because it's very valuable and has an impressive market cap of $300 billion. The cryptocurrency had a bumpy ride in the past few years. It rose to an all-time high of $4,891 in a few months. Today, ETH went down, but it's still one of the most valuable cryptos out there. ETHEREUM is popular because it's based on blockchain technologies, so it's completely decentralized. It's also used in other areas such as DeFi, smart contracts, and NFT. ETHEREUM became the platform for any dApps and decentralized application, which is why it keeps increasing in value over time. Number 7. SOLANA, fast-growing decentralized crypto. The Solana coin, or SOL as it's better known, is the biggest competitor to ETHEREUM. It also doubles as the blockchain network used to build dApps, and it's becoming ever more popular because of its programmer-friendly features and super low transaction fees. Solana is on our list of the best value cryptocurrencies because it's becoming a hugely popular platform for blockchain-based games. The demand for SOL keeps growing, which means that the coin will become even more valuable in a few months. Even though SOL is currently down by about 60% from its all-time high, it saw one of the biggest growth in price from all cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin and ETHEREUM. So this was all for today's video. Don't forget to give it a like and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video tomorrow. Until then, peace out.